Hello guys, my name is Jacob, and I work as a technical specialist for Civil 3D in Czech company called CAD Studio. In today's video, I would like to show you our new utility which should significantly simplifies corridor targeting and save time on your project. I have prepared a corridor divided into many regions, and assemblies I used contain some conditional sub-assemblies, as well as traditional lanes, curbs, and sidewalks. Setting some targets for this kind of corridor could be tricky, and could take some time. As you know, you cannot set multiple rows and targets dialog at once, so you have to go one by one or somehow copy your settings. And it could be quite tedious job. With Civil 3D workflow, you have to focus a lot to complete the job, and that's not the way we like. And now multiple target utility comes in line. The Windows itself is very simple, but still it differs a lot from traditional target dialog. The first thing you can spot is three basic categories: surface, offset, and elevation. You will find there all parameters of all sub-assemblies in the corridor no matter on which baseline or in which region you want to set targets. You usually want to set all surface targets at once, so let's do that for all baselines we have. Easy. It would also useful to identify which sub-assembly, or which region I want to set up in offset targeting. For that I could just specify the sub-assembly with text filter, or to choose region from model space. The last step is to set up targets at once. You can choose all the rows with Ctrl and Shift key, or just hit Set Targets. See that there were some targets set up for one row. These guys copied itself to other targets, and I do not have to set them up again. If needed to edit the assemblies, I would just export my current settings, and all the targets will be saved for future use. I did the step before, so I can now import my settings back, and hit Rebuild. The dialog can be just collapsed, and I can check the result. There is no need to close the window, because it floats above the model, so I can easily repair the targets if needed. See, the utility itself is very simple, but do a lot. If you are interested, do not hesitate to try the utility in a trial version. And if you like it, let us know or contact us for support.